Hello everyone and welcome! I've got another Stitch Fix to open. Hopefully it's better than last time. The last one was rough. Real rough. So here's hoping, fingers crossed, please. Fingers and toes with me, people. Let's keep them crossed that this is better. For anyone who doesn't know, Stitch Fix, it's not a subscription, it's just a styling service where you can choose to make it like a subscription if you would like to do recurring Stitch Fixes like I do every month and a half. Do them as often as every 2 weeks, I think, and otherwise you can just say, no, I just want one when I want one, and you can tell them when you want one. So, it's 20 bucks, that's your styling fee, and then that gets put towards whatever clothing you decide to purchase from your Stitch Fix. So if there's a t-shirt in here that you want to keep that's 40 bucks, the $20 you spent as your styling fee will go towards that, so you only have to pay an additional $20. There's also the buy 5, I think it's 25% off discount, where if you get all 5 items in your box, you end up getting 25. It might be 20, but I think it's 25% off of everything. It's been a minute since I've purchased all 5 items, but I just think it's really fun, you know? I think it's nice to try on different styles of clothing and whatnot that I personally would not usually try on. Sometimes it ends up surprising me, and sometimes it confirms what I originally thought, that it was not going to look good on me. So I love Stitch Fix. Comes with a pre-stamped mailer bag here so that any returns or exchanges you're going to be making, it is, you know, that's a part of the $20 you pay. It looks like we got a jewelry thing. Ooh, some kind of sweater and denim and more sweaters. Look at the pastels. Ooh, we're going into spring. Let's see. This is such a nice minty green. I feel like, have I gotten this sweater before? Or a very similar one? Don't I? I have this in blue. It's really nice. So cool. Recycled fibers. So all of this is made from recycled fibers. Recycled polyester anyways. Just looks like a nice minty green sweater. I mean, there's nothing too super special about it, but that's okay. Staples are always good to have. We've got some kind of a hooded knit, which is totally up my alley. Like I said, we've got some pastel striping going on here, and it's got a hood, which y'all know I'm a fan of. This is from Stitches and Stripes. Hopefully it's not too cropped on me, but overall this definitely, it looks like something I would wear. So yay so far. We've also got this beautiful berry burgundy colored thing that's very soft. Oh, it's a cardigan. My number one weakness. I'm like, come on. This color looks fabulous on me. It is beautiful. It is so soft. It's really weighty, which a sweaty person like me, that's actually nerve-wracking. During the winter, this would be great. Oh, another thing from Stitches and Stripes. Okay, I guess we're trying out that brand today. At least a little bit. And then some denim. Light wash, very light wash. This is from Just USA. Hopefully a 33 is gonna fit me. These look tiny. Oh yeah, this does not wrap around my neck. I don't know that these are gonna fit, but it's a cropped skinny jean. They're really soft. They're a nice light wash. I don't know, with my weight gain, I just don't know that those are gonna be able to get pulled up. Ooh, these are fun. These could match what I'm wearing today. They match my nails, actually, quite nicely. Cute little hoops. I'm a fan. I feel like they're not something I would normally pick out for myself, but I could see those looking really cute. You know, like with this sweater or whatever. Okay. Well, shoot, guys, we have some potential winners here. Let's go ahead and try things on, though. That's the only way I'm gonna know for sure. So, try on we shall. Alrighty, you guys, jeans are too tight. It's not by a ton, and if this came up just a little bit more, maybe they would fit better, but, you know, I was able to get them up, but they're just not for me, not the right fit. The sweater is lovely. I mean, it's so comfy. It's so cozy. It is quite lightweight, so I actually don't think I would like overheat in it. It's form-fitting, but like loose enough where I'm comfortable in it. It's a good length, you know, just overall, it's a nice sweater. So I think the sweater is a win, depending on the price of it. The jeans, no thank you. Oh, what a transition. That last sweater was just so soft that this one, I mean, it's not rough, but it is rougher than that last one. This is so super cute. It reminds me of, what was it, that like zebra stripe gum from when we were kids, that the flavor lasted all of 10 seconds, but it was so worth it. Like, this is so cozy. This is so cute. Oh wow, I'm surprised. This is 100% cotton. I feel like cotton is usually a little softer than this, but this is so cute. This is so me. This is, dare I say, perfection. Which I know some of you are gonna be like, Cassie, it's a literal hoodie. And to that I say, dear viewer, yes. This is so cute. This is so cute and it makes me so happy. I love this one. Oh boy, this is so comfy. It's definitely a heavier knit, but like that fit though, it's so cozy. I love that the sleeves have just a little bit of floof at the bottom. This is it buttoned up. I rarely wear my cardigans buttoned, but I figured I would show you that option. And then, peekaboo. That's how I typically wear my cardigans. And then, you know, a little tank top, a little cami underneath. I mean, come on. That color, that texture, it's so pretty. We're in trouble, my friends. We are in trouble. If only those jeans fit me perfectly. Let's go see. Prices. Oh. Hello. Scared. I'm very scared. Did I get Emily again? Please tell me things. Yes, we did. We did. She says, oh no, I am so sorry to see that your last fix was a bit of a miss. As always, she appreciates the honest feedback and hopes to have gotten back on track with picks for me today. I know it's still pretty chilly in Minnesota, but I've tried to bring in some lighter, fresh colors to help you welcome in the spring. That's so kind of you. You'll find the prettiest mint green sweater from Vero Moda that will be great in one of your videos. Just toss it on with the lighter wash jeans, paired with a fashion sneaker, and you're good to go. Also, a cute hoodie sweater, and yes. Again, the style with jeans are your favorite joggers for a cute casual style. Enjoy. Yes, I would say you did much better this time around than the last fix, but let's see, the true tell will be out of this. This beautiful cardigan. These cozy materials don't come cheap. This is $74. That's too much, right? But I love it. The hoop earrings are $29. The jeans are $58. This hoodie is $64. And this sweater is $54. I mean, this is one of those things where it's like, if I were to just buy the 3 sweaters, can I do mental math? It would be $192. Minus the discount, it would be $172, the 20 bucks for my styling fee. So pretty much just under what the total would be if I were to buy all 5 things and get my 25% discount. That'd be $189.25. So hard, my friends. So hard. Or do I just keep the striped hoodie, or do I keep the striped hoodie and the cardigan? I have so many sweaters. But like, I love them and I wear them. Because like, when I say I would keep the jeans, I mean, I will check. If the jeans come in a 34, that would be great. I can exchange them for a 34. Otherwise, I could see if they fit my mom. Otherwise, I can just donate them if I keep all 5 things. This is a conundrum. I need your help, you guys. Please. What do I do? And then the hoops. I've been enjoying a good hoop moment lately. Like, they're cute hoops. It's so hard. I'm stuck. You guys should tell me. What should I do? What should I keep? I'm very tempted to just keep everything. Ugh. But I know I shouldn't. But oh, am I tempted. So, that was this Stitch Fix number 36. Ooh. Has anyone made it to 100? Is there someone that's on Stitch Fix number 100? That would be insane. But congrats. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, I do always have my affiliate link down below. Anyone can be an affiliate, but basically, as far as I know, it will just get the styling fee off for you, so you can try out your first Stitch Fix for free, you know, unless you end up buying any of the items that come in your Stitch Fix, but at least the styling fee will be waived, plus it earns me a kickback so that I can less guiltily buy some of these clothes. But you can do what you want. You don't have to use my affiliate link. I would just really appreciate it. But yeah, you guys should let me know all of the things in the comments down below. You can also let me know, did you enjoy the video, find it helpful somehow, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap the notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!